Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to unfollow everybody at once on your TikTok account. It's very simple, so let's get started right away. The first thing you want to do is to open up your TikTok account, and then you want to head over to your profile page in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're here, all you need to do is click on the following button. So there is no actual way to unfollow everybody at the exact same time. The most efficient way that I know of is just to scroll down your list and just click unfollow to everybody. I mean, it does go pretty quickly once you start going. And if you want to follow them back, you can follow them back right away. But, I mean, other than that, there really is no way that you can unfollow everybody at the same time. So, hope this video helped, and if it did, please make sure to like the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, as it helps out the channel a lot, and I will see you in the next video.